Yeah, hold on. Talking, dog. Why is ICT talking, dog? Come on. That's crazy, but that's how y'all know I be studying though. I be on my Zoom. I be on my Zoom, guys. But that was not supposed to happen though at all. But I bet so like I said on the last video, I'm looking at this trade for shorts, but I told y'all that I had seen a small support level on the smaller time frames, as you can see right here. The last video, like this part wasn't already formed, but on the hold on, let me just the last video, it was like right here. But yeah, y'all get what I'm saying. It was pretty much about right here in this zone, and I said like on price, I was expecting price to pop up, of course, and reach the zone to for me to start selling it. And as I can see where it's at, I had let me show y'all where I got in at. I didn't get in ideally at the buy, well, at the low of the buy because I wanted more confirmation, and I didn't just want to just hop in just to say I got in the trade. And plus, like you already know, I'm looking for sales, but I knew I had a long opportunity. So I'm gonna show y'all where I got in. It's not ideal, but it's a safe trade, which I knew it had good potential to play out, and for me to have like a pretty nice reward. I know I'm not gonna say reward, but nice risk. And like to me, the trade was managed decently, but it could have been better though, very much better. So of course it was a trade right here that you could have got into, like this based off the low getting taken out, and it being pretty much aligned with the price, like the 7 to 10 30 with a 7 to 10 window for the London session. Well, I'm sorry, y'all, New York session. So you definitely could have got in, but I was just really making sure I'm not gambling, and I really have wanted to be just more disciplined. So yeah, I didn't take the trade right here. I wish I did, but I really wasn't looking because I didn't care to look at it honestly. But when I did look back into the trade, price was already pretty much right here, and it sucks because they look a little bit different on my MetaTrader chart, so that sucks. But let me see something. Let me see something because I don't like how different this look on this it still look different. See that thing, man. All right, this is 15 still, 15 minute. So yeah, I end up this looks so different. Dang. But I end up getting in on this right here. Well, a little bit on this candle because, like I said, when price pretty much breaks out of consolidation, the trend line, I'm looking for a retest most of the time. And once I get that retest, that is confirmation for me to get in. But on my MetaTrader chart, the retest happens way more cleaner. So hold on, I see why now. I see why now. I see why now. Hold on, bear with me, guys. Bear with me. Bear with me. Bear with me. This is why the retest I landed so perfectly. This is why. So I'm gonna delete this trend line because that's not the trend line I drew. This is the trend line that I drew on my MetaTrader app on my phone. Like I said, I always trade on my phone pretty much. I just started really doing this because of I'm making these videos. So this the trend line right here. That the one that made me some money. All right, so now let's go back to the 15. I was like, why is that thing so different? Like it's price. All right, it's still a little off. Let me see. It's a little off. Why is it off? I feel like ICT. Dang, my voice is crap. I feel like ICT now. ICT be having his OCD kicking in. I'm like the same way now, but this is how I pretty much draw my trend line. It could be a little bit more up. Move. Hold on, guys. See, I need to get a mouse because it'll be so much easier for me to do this with a mouse than doing this on this touchpad. I don't want y'all to really see like the way price had respect the trend line, but this would pretty much do. So when price had when I see that price had broke up from the trend line from the consolidation and retested this, that was all the pretty much confirmation that I need to get into the trade. All of it. Now I did wish I had got in on a retest on a retest, of course. But it still was a safe trade, good confirmation. I was still disciplined. I did not rush the trade because if y'all want me to be honest, I want to get in the trade like somewhere in like the London session. And as y'all can see, it's about to be 11 o'clock. The trade date really kick off till 8. So yeah, it really wasn't. If I was got in that trade when I really wanted to, I would have been gambling. I would have lost some money. I would have got on here saying, "Oh, I gambled, y'all." But even if I did got in on this trend line, it still would have been a good trade. But like I said, I really wasn't that focused on it. I really wasn't focused on it at all. Really wasn't at all. So yeah, the profit, the goal is still for it to reach within these zones right here for me to get in on the sale. So it already had reached, like I said, like these are my take profits. These are my targets. So got that target. Here's one right here. And I would love for it to I really would love for the tap at least to right here, but we'll see what it do right here. So we'll I will just keep give y'all some updates on this chart and the trade, and I'm gonna put y'all on to one more of my other trades that I'm in right now. I'm actually in drawdown right now. Actually, I am in drawdown, but let's get off this small ass 15-minute chart. Come on, hold on. Back to the 4 hour. All right, so I'm on the trade as a sell. The reason why I got in on this trade as a sell is because it was doing good earlier. Well, decent, I should say. I got in on this trade only because of fair value gap, order block, and we had hit the 618 retracement. And my goal is for it to come back down here. Let's see how I look on the higher time frames. Let's see if the trade still makes sense to me as I'm talking to YouTube. You can see where it kind of like slowed down right here, broke the low. I was looking at this last week. You see the trend line break, and I'm just looking at all these lows right here that was taken out, and these lows right here look pretty handsome. They look real handsome for me to take. So these are the lows that I'm aiming at to take, and those will be my targets for this week. I don't know how long I plan on being in this trade, but ideally I would love for the lows to get taken out at some point. But yeah, fair value gap, broken lows, 618 retracement. And yeah, that pretty much was the mindset between me taking this trade right here. So it was like 3-4 confirmations. Also, it was another one. It was this wick right here. This nice little wick right here also was a nice little confirmation. This adds like a little barrier for resistance, but also these trades can definitely just keep going up and take out these lows right here. These lows, I mean not these lows, these highs are a little bit concerning, but I feel as if it's more likely to jump down right here first, but we'll see. Let me just go down to the 1 hour. The 1 hour is giving me good confirmation also, because a few minutes ago, this is what I was looking at. I was already in the trade, and this is how price action would look. So I was like, okay, we keep coming down at least to like this counter right here, we good. But as y'all can see, it ended up going back up. But I am still very much confident in the trade. It got some nice confirmations with it. And if I get this trend line break too, oh man, we definitely good then. Definitely good then. So yeah, we shall see. But also I'm not waiting on that confirmation, that trend line break just to make me get into the trade. But that will give me more confirmation to hold the trade and ease me out a little bit. But yeah, you could definitely see price slowing down and wanting to go down and stuff like that. But also, like I said, I'll just keep y'all updated on where I think the price I think price should go. I will go. I'm about to draw a little arrow down. That's it. If I can find the fucking arrow. If I can find the arrow, guys. You know what? All right, yeah, I can't find the arrow. I just want to put the arrow down. That's it. But probably tomorrow or Wednesday, I'll update y'all on just how it was and whether I won or lost and how was my discipline, my risk management, and that'd be that. I gotta find that arrow before I get off. All right, it was on this. It was on this, wasn't it? Oh, it was not on that. Okay. Where the hell is the arrow? Crazy. This can't be it. Oh wait, dang. Yo, I went on that tab like 5 times and still ain't find it. But yeah, all right. So up right there. I'm assuming it will go down. So we'll see. Appreciate y'all.